Okay, this is another matchstick demo. We have the application running on Ray. It is a controller, and here we connect to matchstick, and web application is loaded. That is small game with dices. Take main, and these buttons will move the dice. So we are moving the dice to the right, and once the dice reaches the destination, new level is loaded. So it's pretty slow rendering, but it's working.